The AUPETEK Seedling Heat Mat, in the 10-inch by 20.75-inch size, delivers a steady, gentle warmth that keeps the root zone noticeably warmer than the surrounding room, which really helps seeds sprout more reliably indoors. Heat is spread very evenly across the surface, so trays of seedlings or cuttings warm up consistently without hot spots that could stress delicate roots. The mat feels thick and flexible rather than flimsy, and its smooth waterproof coating makes it simple to wipe away spilled soil or water after a long day of planting. Because of its high waterproof rating and insulated design, it can safely sit under damp seed trays in greenhouses or hydroponic setups without you worrying about splashes or condensation. Using it is straightforward, even for beginners, since you just lay it flat under your tray, plug it in, and let it quietly maintain a supportive temperature boost for germination. Beyond starting vegetables and flowers, the mat also works well for keeping tropical houseplants, cuttings, and even small reptile enclosures comfortably warm in cooler rooms.